Hi, this is 4Leaf Labs. Welcome again to our kitchen display hardware setup for monitors. Now that we're done mounting our monitor and we connected it to the power, we will start assembling our RKM mini computer. We will start reminding you of all the ports that we have because we will connect other hardware here. So starting with the power cord, USB, and Ethernet port for an Ethernet wire connection, and on the side an USB port, an SD card reader for more memory in case you need it, and the HDMI plug, of course. This will go here on your on the back of your screen inside the HDMI ports that comes with it. This is the HDMI port extension that it's very recommended to use, as you could strain the port a bit by connecting it directly and it could bend the plug. So we will use this for our setup here. And the power adapter cord, this will go on the proper power adapter port. We will just connect it right now, and then we will proceed with other hardware peripherals that will include the navigation hardware that we have bumper, and we have the mouse. The mouse will be the recommended one for this first setup, as we're going to go through the menu and settings, so this way it's easier and more friendly to use for the first configuration. So we'll just put it on any USB port that we want. I will put it here on the side one. And then the internet connection, I have a wire for Ethernet. So I will just take this one, is the yellow wire that I have here, and plug it in. Now we will proceed to connect this into the HDMI port of my monitor. I will just move it around a bit, and I will have to kneel, so I will take a bit of time connecting it under. It is a bit awkward, that's why the HDMI extensor will work very well with my setup here. So I don't strain the connection, and now we will connect the whole stuff to the power using the power cord or power adapter, and I will connect it to the power now. Make sure that your screen is turned on so you will be able to see the loading screen or splash screen that says Android. So I will turn on my screen, and now you should see that it says Android. That means that it's loading, and it will prompt me to the home screen of my RKM device. It looks like this, it's ready to go. We will just need to set up some other stuff now. That includes the date and the time, and this is because at the start it will be you will need to configure it correctly. So you can see that I already installed the kitchen display application here. So when I open this application, it should be connected already. And now I will go through the setup. The setup icon here, or the cogwheel icon, will help me to go to the Wi-Fi section in case I don't have a Ethernet connection or a wire connection, and to set up the date and the time. That will be crucial for my device to operate correctly, because this is very time sensitive. I have to select the right time zone. Now we will just scan for the Wi-Fi connection if I have one, and go back after I'm finished with all the setup. And when I open my app, I should have a green bar on the top. That means that my kitchen display is connected and working fine. Well, we'll see you in the next video to set this up from scratch.